What's inside a leaf? A leaf has several layers and cell types, each with specific roles, mainly to help the plant make food, photosynthesis, breathe, gas exchange, and avoid losing too much water. 1. Cuticle. What is it? A waxy layer covering the outer surface of the leaf. Function: prevents water loss by acting as a barrier. It also protects the leaf from pathogens and damage. 2nd. Epidermis. What is it? The outer layer of cells on both the top, upper epidermis, and bottom, lower epidermis of the leaf. Function: protects the internal tissues of the leaf and helps in regulating gas exchange. The upper layer is usually transparent to let sunlight through.
3rd. Mesophyll. What is it? The middle layer of the leaf, where most photosynthesis happens. It has 2 types: Palisade Mesophyll, Spongy Mesophyll 4. Palisade cells, Palisade Mesophyll. What is it? Column-shaped cells packed tightly just below the upper epidermis. Function: main site of photosynthesis because these cells have lots of chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll. They absorb light efficiently. 5. Spongy Mesophyll. What is it? Loosely packed cells found beneath the palisade layer. Function: allows gas exchange, CO2 in, O2 out, due to the air spaces between cells. These cells also do some photosynthesis. What is a chloroplast? It's a green oval-shaped structure inside plant and algal cells. The green color comes from chlorophyll, a pigment that absorbs light energy. Chloroplasts have a double membrane and their own DNA, making them semi-autonomous, similar to mitochondria. Main function: photosynthesis, turning light energy into chemical energy. 7. Guard cells. What is it? Specialized cells that surround each stoma, plural, stomata. Function: they open and close the stomata to control gas exchange and water loss. 8. Lower epidermis. What is it? The bottom layer of cells of the leaf. Function: protects the leaf and contains stomata and guard cells for gas exchange. 9. Stomata. Stomata, singular, stoma, are tiny openings or pores found on the surface of leaves, stems, and other plant organs. They're mostly located on the underside of leaves, and they play a crucial role in gas exchange and water regulation in plants. Here's a quick breakdown. Function of stomata: gas exchange. Let carbon dioxide in for photosynthesis. Release oxygen, oxygen 2 as a byproduct. Transpiration: let water vapor escape, which helps pull water up from the roots and keeps the plant cool. Regulation: guard cells, bean-shaped cells around each stoma. Control when stomata open or close based on environmental conditions, like light, humidity, and CO2 levels. Why they're important: balance between photosynthesis and water loss. Key to a plant's survival and productivity. Help regulate the climate by affecting atmospheric moisture and CO2 levels.